Hey teachers, if you are looking for a super simple way to share your daily assignments with your class, this is on my Seesaw. I think it would probably work on Google Classroom or whatever you're doing. I've created this in Google Slides, and then I made each of these pictures a hyperlink to a video or an assignment that I want kids to do. Also in Seesaw, I just created a little person for myself, and I just post this to the journal each morning or late at night. So when they come here, all they have to do is click view original, and then they can click on something.
Hi everybody,
and they find
happy Monday. How are you guys?
the morning meeting. And by the way, I've linked all my videos through Safe YouTube because I don't want them to just get opened up to YouTube on their own. So let me show you how this works. If you want a head start, you can buy this from my Teachers Pay Teachers store, and when you get it, it will open up looking like this. It has a nice table of contents, lots of directions. These are all stickers that you can copy and paste and move, see, like that. So I tried to think of anything that might be helpful to you, lots of subjects, even numbers and things like that. Different good mornings, So the first thing you want to do is set up all the things you want the kids to have to do today. Honestly, I did not use the numbers very much. Last spring, I did sometimes put this by the morning meeting because I wanted them to watch this first, because sometimes I would give them important directions about all these other ones. So let's say I want to keep all of these. By the way, you can move them and arrange them however you want, but let's pretend that I also want to add in some science. So I would just copy that. You can go to edit, copy, or just Command C and paste it in here. Make it the size you want. Just kind of make a match there. And maybe something else too. Looks good. Now, I would go find my videos. So let's pretend this is the morning meeting video. Copy the web address from the top and then come back to here and you can go to this thing right here. Put the address, apply, and now when kids click on this, it will take them straight to the video. Okay, next step. Then I would go over to File and make a copy of just the selected slide because I just want to share this one thing with them. And maybe I would call it like Monday because it's Monday. And then it will save that, or it's actually going to open it back up all by itself. So that's nice. And then, sorry, it takes just a second here. You're going to go File, Download, PDF. And it'll save it to your downloads then. And then I'd come back to my Seesaw. Oops, got a little ahead here. It usually looks like this. I would say Add. And I just did it like this. I did post student work. I know there's a lot of different ways you could do this. And then I did upload, and I would just drag the PDF in there, check mark, and I would assign it to all students in my class. But since this is just an example, I'll just do it to myself. There we go. And then when the students see it, they just have to click View Original, and they can see the meeting.
Hey everybody, how are you guys?
And all the other assignments too, if you've linked them to something. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a great head start. Remember, you can get all these stickers and all the directions written down. Plus, look at all these tips, things I learned the hard way, and planning pages on my TPT store. So I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.